Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are so welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are doing this look very simple, beginner friendly. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. Okay guys, I'm using my Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder in the shade ivory, ivory, to set my brow. Yes, by doing so my brows stays matte throughout the day. Yes, so I use this Cosmetics Art brow pencil in the shade black to outline my brow. So using this Pretty by Floma brow pencil in the shade brown, a bitter brown, to fill my brows. So going in with my concealer, I'm using this BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette, and I'm using the lighter shade to clean my brow. If you are a beginner, kindly be gentle or kindly take your time when cleaning your brows. You have to be gentle. And you can actually use your foundation to clean the upper part of your brow, but I'm using that concealer, a different concealer, but because I have a lighter concealer on the brush, it looks the same, but it was a different concealer. Yes, it was a different concealer altogether. The reason why I said you can use your foundation is to make the blending easier when after cleaning your brows. Yes, the blending like this easier. So I'm using this fluffy brush to blend, and I'm using the excess concealer as my eyeshadow base. Yes, that same concealer I used to clean underneath my brow. I'm using that as my eyeshadow base. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe. I'm using this Nikak Dual Contour as my eyeshadow. So I'm just packing that underneath my brow or I'm using that as my transitional shade. So I'll just sweep it back and forth as I'm doing. Just like this. So my concealer was actually creasing, so I went back with my fluffy brush to further blend that concealer into place using this Catrice the Ultimate Chrome palette, and I'm using my finger in packing this shade on. If you have been following me for a while now, you know that sometimes I prefer using my finger in applying some eyeshadow, and I'm using my brush to further pack on the eyeshadow well. I'm going back with the same color I used earlier on to clean any demarcation between my first my first shade and my shimmer shade, using the mini star gel liner to line my eye. So trying to wing it a little bit. Yes, please, if you haven't seen my video on how I apply my lashes, I will leave a card up here. After watching this video, come back and click on the card. It will lead you straight to that video. Yes, so if you have not seen that video, click on the card when you finish watching this particular video. So using my Pond's primer to prime my face. My skin is the oily type. If you are new to my channel, my skin is an oily producing skin. and I have pores on my cheeks. So going in with my foundation Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360, which is Mocha, if I got the name correct, Mocha. And my undertone is crazy. Yes, so just trust the process and everything will be blended. Blended well. Just trust the process. And if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button down below. Remember to click the bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes. Always remember to blend your foundation down to your neck area. So using the Pretty by Floma Perfect Coverage concealer, and this concealer is similar, one shade to my skin tone or the same as my skin tone. So I'm using two concealer at the same time. This one is the AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. So I'm mixing these two together. And now we're blending. Yes, we're blending. Blend, blend, blend. We are blending. And don't mind that demarcation on my forehead. Yes, everything will be sorted out. Just trust the process. Trust the process. My lighting keep changing because I'm using natural lighting and I don't know. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush to further blend everything into place. Using my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my face. And these are the places where I want to contour. So now let's blend. And if I'm blending it into my hairline, if that makes sense, yes, I'm blending it into my hairline like this. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. It's free. Free Buntu. And click on the bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Blend, oh, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key, guys. Blending is the key. Yes, just like so. So I'm using my flat foundation brush to blend my nose contouring. Yes, that's me. I always use different brushes for different purposes. I use contour brush for my blush. I don't actually use brushes for their design purpose. I hope that's me correct. I don't know the reason why. I don't have any reason at all. I just feel like using them for anything I want to. Using that same setting powder from Pineapple Cosmetics to set the places where I highlighted my under eye, just like I'm doing. Yes, and I'm using the excess product on the sponge to blend it to set these places, just like this. Using my contour from Nicardua, the same one I use for my eye, as my eyeshadow to set the places where I contoured. Yes. And I'm using that same powder to set my nose contouring. Yes, just as I'm doing. This is from Nikak Dua Blush. I mean, to give some blushing things. I mean, on my cheek, on the apple of my cheeks. Using my kohl pencil from Pretty by Floma to line my waterline. Please comment down below what you love about this look. Using this same palette, the Ultimate Chrome from Catrice, to highlight. You see that glow? You see that glow? Trust me when I say I love this palette. Yes, I love it. I'm in love. And I'm using a small amount on the bridge of my nose. The tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. I hope that makes sense. And I'm using this small brush to highlight my brow bone. Using this pencil, I don't, it's from Floma, but I don't, it's a brown pencil from Floma. I don't remember the name, but it has, their pencils have number. This one is just brown pencil that I've forgotten the name, guys. So, using that to line my lip and using this Kiss Beauty Maniac, is it Maniac? Hey Lord. If you are using two pencils for ombre, if you are using two pencils for ombre lip, put your blending skills together and blend. Blend. This is our final look, guys. Comment down below what you love about this look. Yes, comment down below. Until we meet again, stay peace, stay blessed.